One thing you need to be aware of when you're using annotations, like I said, they are a great thing. They help improve SEO. They help users jump from one video to the next, is they're only visible on the computer. Now, if you're using a mobile device, whenever you put these annotations in your videos, you need to make certain that you say that out loud in your video. I'm annotating this on the screen for computer users. Mobile users can find the link in the description. And whatever you're annotating in the video, you need to add that link to the description so mobile users can find exactly what it is that you're talking about. I don't know how many times I've watched a video on my iPhone and had users refer to an annotation on the screen that wasn't in the description. That just a view lost. I mean, and I could have gone on and watched 5 or 6 more videos from that same YouTube channel, who's to say? So be sure you always keep in mind of your mobile users when using annotations. They are important, very important.